you're going to be checking solutions to two variable equations. What does that mean? What does that mean? I know. I'm going to tell you. Stop crying. So, two variable equations. What? That's going to be, we're going to get to it. It's going to be lines. These are called linear equations with an x and a y. They'll look a certain way. You're going to get really good at them. But right now, we'll start slow with checking solutions to two variable linear equations. Oh, I should have said linear equations. Oh well. So let's see. What does it mean to check a solution? We have actually done this before. Checking a solution means you plug in an x and a y value and see if the equation is true. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna see for the first example. And Mr. D, we gotta write that down? Yes, you need to write that down. Which of the ordered pairs, write everything down. Even the multiple choice stuff, even write that down. Write it all. Which of the ordered pairs is a solution of the following equation? Well, I don't know. Let's find out. Remember the 5th of November. That's the x and a y coordinate. So what are we going to do? Maybe I make them different colors. So that's the y. Excuse me. I burped. The x coordinate is 1. The y coordinate is 5. So if I plug stuff in, I shall get 7 times 1 minus 2 times 5. And let's see if that equals negative 5. Oh, it's a message. So let's see. If I get a true statement, then 1 comma 5 is a solution. That's what it's saying. So 7 times 1 is 7 minus 2 times 5. Well, that's 10. Does that equal negative 5? 7 minus 10 is negative 3. Does that equal negative 5? No. So that does not work. And then you plug in negative 1 and 1. A lot of the time, you'll be able to do this in your head. But if not, you just have to write it down. So 7 times negative 1, that's my x. So I plug it in for x. Minus 2 times positive 1. Does that equal negative 5? What do I got? I got negative 7 minus 2, right? This is negative 7. This is negative 2. 79. That's negative 9. Does that equal negative 5? No, sir. Neither does that, so the answer is neither. That's pretty easy. You just plug in the x and y, and check to see if you get something true. That's not true. Okay, let's look at the next example. Alright? Guess what? Admit the D. We're going to have to write it down, huh? Yeah. The next example, you have to write down everything, even the work that I do. Please, write it down. It's not that hard to just copy the notes. All right. Same exact idea. Oh, it looks a little different, though. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. So, yeah, we plug stuff in. Remember, x, comma, y. We have y plus 1, so I do negative 1 plus 1, right? Because that is y. Equals 3 times 4 minus 4. Ooh. 4 minus 1. No, 4 minus 4. Right? That's 4 minus 4. Cool. So, this part, we have to follow PEMDAS. Ooh. So, that's parentheses first. So we got to do that. We have then 3 times, what's 4 minus 4 is 0. Ooh. Negative 1 plus 1, that's also 0. Ooh, 3 times 0, 0 equals 0. Yes, this works. That works. Cool. What about 5, comma 2? Let's plug that in. If you could do this in your head. I don't mind if you do it in your head. 2 plus 1 equals 3 times 5 minus 4. What is that? 5 minus 4 is 1. times 3 equals 2 plus 1. Ooh! 3 times 1 is 3. That also works. So the answer is both of them. You do have to check both. You do have to check both. There you go. Sweet. Excellent. Even. Alright, let's do one more, huh? We got 2 more minutes. Let's do one more. Alright. Yes, you gotta copy it down. Frank, he says copy it down. I know. Okay. So, while Frank's copying it down, we can go ahead and move on. He'll have to pause the video. Which of the ordered pairs is a solution to the following equation? Same instructions. Same instructions. Same instruction. Ooh, this has more than. This is interesting. Let's plug stuff in. I'm gonna. Hey, better. That's an X. That's a Y. So what I got? I got 3 times 1 plus 3 times 2. Ooh, because that's the Y coordinate. And that's how you do this. Maybe you should pause and figure out the rest of the other side. I got negative. I'm going to put it in parentheses. Huh? Negative 1, right? Because it's there. The negative, though, is from that. Okay. Plus 5 times y is 2. 5 times 2. And then you again use PEMDAS. So this is 3 plus 6. No, I almost did 5. 3 plus 6 equals negative 1, right? Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. Plus 5 times 2 is 10. So this is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. Negative 1 plus 10 is 9. Ooh, that works. That works. Let's try 2,4. You should try 2,4. Pause it right now. Try 2,4. You pause it? You pause it? You pause it? You? Hey, I'm looking at you. I'm pointing at you. You can't tell because it's a video. 3 times 2. I'm going to do this. 3 times 2 plus 3 times 4, right? Equals negative 2 plus 5 times 4. Follow PEMDAS. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 12 equals negative 2 plus 20, right? That's 20. See how easy this can be? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, here we go. Negative 2 plus 20 is also 18. That's beautiful. So that one works. So the answer, again, is both. I think that's all that I'm going to do for this. It's pretty neat. You're just checking to see if there are solutions. Later on, we'll deal more with this. But right now, you're just checking to see what solutions are there. All right. Goodbye.